What's going on, Lasfit here again, and we are working on this 2018 Hyundai Tucson. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing these inner taillights. And on this vehicle, these taillights are pretty nice, but we're going to make them just a tad bit nicer by adding LEDs in them. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so now we're working on this 2018 Tucson inner taillights on the rear. And it's going to be pretty simple. You just get a flat hit, pry it right here in this opening, and just like that, it'll pop out. And the two bulbs we're going to be working with is going to be this one and this one, okay? And these are going to be the two brake lights or parking lights in red. And this one right here with the gray plug down here is going to be the one for your reverse, okay? So for now, we're going to start with the two parking lights, and we'll do the backup in the next video, okay? All right guys, so if you want to make life easier, you can either remove this little plug right here, this white one, it just get out of the way, or you could just try to go and get it out like this, but pretty much just counterclockwise to remove. I found it easier to remove this. It gives you more space to work with. At that point, you can remove this. This is an 1157 bulb. Okay, just like that, remove it, put it to the side. The one next to it is going to be one too, so I'm going to take that off as well. Okay. Just like that, also an 1157. Put that to the side. We get our 1157 bulbs in red. Okay. First one going in. They only have one way of going in, so if it feels forced, then you know you got it wrong. Just flip it over and it should go in easy. Okay. That one's locked. Next one. Nope, that's the wrong way. There we go. Lock that in place, just like that, and don't forget to plug your main module. And pretty much you're done at that point. So now we're gonna test them out, make sure they light up, and show you a quick comparison, okay? All right guys, so these only function as parking lights, so they don't have like any other mode. So as you can see, all you're getting is that they're gonna be much brighter, and since they're red, it'll make your lens look even more redder as well. Here on the camera, it really can't appreciate it. It still looks kind of amberish, but it's actually red. If you go to the halogen side, that one really is like a reddish orange, and that's because it's using a clear bulb. But you can see how much light is lost here in the corners compared to the LED side. On the LED side, you should see more light on the corners, so it'll engulf the whole inner tail light much better than the halogen bulb. Again, on the camera, you can't really catch it, but if you were to see this at night, you'll notice the big difference. So pretty much now we just continue to the other side and do the same, and we'll show you how it looks with everything completed. All right guys, so we're gonna show you the finished results. We have just finished working on this 2018 Hyundai Tucson, and we just did the brake lights with our 1157s in red, as you're seeing now. We've also done the tail light, which also functions as the parking light, which is the corner lights what activated the parking light. And then you also got your inner tail light, okay? These will use 1157's red all the way from here to there, okay? Now we're gonna show you the turn signals, which we use the T-Series 1156 to prevent the hyper flash. So we're gonna do the turn signal on the left. There we go. And then turn signal on the right. Flasher. There you go, guys. And one thing you might notice is that when you step on the brake lights, Now the brakes, the corners will match your LED third brake light. Okay, so they're all matching now because they're pure red. Now we're gonna show you the backup lights. There you go, big difference. Okay. So for this type of vehicles that have backup cameras, this is very helpful because you'll be able to see more at night, and it also does not affect your camera signal, okay? So just to show you real quick. Can you show them the camera, please? As you can see, no camera interference, everything working fine, and at night you're going to be noticeably seeing more as well. It'll help a lot with the backup camera. So guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.